Programming is used extensively in ethical hacking to automate tasks, write exploits, and aid in reconnaissance. Many common programming languages such as Python, Ruby, and Perl are. As hackers use programming languages to ensure efficient ethical hacking. Here are the top programming languages for ethical hacking in 2022. 1. Python. Python is a versatile language that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as ethical hacking. Python is a powerful language that can be used to automate tasks, create scripts, and more. Additionally, Python is a relatively easy language to learn, making it a good choice for beginning hackers. With Python, ethical hackers can perform everything from testing corporate servers to detecting impending threats to automating hacking processes. 2. JavaScript. JavaScript, the most popular language, can be used for web application hacking in a number of ways. For example, for creating custom scripts to exploit vulnerabilities in websites or applications, or using cross-site scripting attacks to inject malicious code into web pages, or monitoring and analyzing traffic to identify potential security vulnerabilities. 3. C. C is the fastest programming language. When it comes to low-level hardware components like RAM, C's low-level nature gives it an advantage over other programming languages. Penetration testers can also use the language to write exponentially fast socket programming scripts. 4. Perl. Perl can be useful in a variety of ways to perform ethical hacking. For example, network routing operations, scanning for open ports on a network, sniffing traffic on a network, or spoofing IP addresses. 5. PHP. PHP is a very popular language and is used by millions of websites. All WordPress websites are built over PHP, which consist of more than 30% of the Internet. Learning PHP is the most important skill to understand how these websites are built and how they can be exploited. 6. C++. C++ with its OOPS concept is easier to learn and code than C, while giving similar performance. C++ can be used for penetration testing in a few ways. One way is to use C++ to develop exploits. Another way is to use C++ to develop tools that can help with penetration testing, such as a port scanner or vulnerability scanner. 7. Ruby. Ruby can be used for penetration testing in a few ways. One way is to use Ruby to script out common tasks that are done during a penetration test. This can include automating the scanning of a network, automating the exploitation of vulnerabilities, and automating the creation of reports. Additionally, Ruby can be used as a programming language to write custom exploits and tools. 8. SQL. The topmost vulnerability from years is SQL injection, and hence learning SQL is one of the most important paths in ethical hacking. SQL is used for ethical hacking in order to extract data from databases. This data can then be used for various purposes, including vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. 9. Bash. Bash is a shell, or command line interpreter, that is widely used on Linux and Unix systems. It is also available on Windows systems through the Cygwin environment. Bash is helpful in ethical hacking because it can be used to run commands and scripts to help identify security issues on a system. It can also be used to run penetration testing tools in scripts or a privilege escalation. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Visit csexams.com for many free cybersecurity certifications practice tests.